स्वागत है आपका शॉर्ट हैंडियंस गॉट इट चैनल पर। वीडियोस अगर पसंद आ जाएं तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। लेटेस्ट डिक्टेशन और जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस को पाने के लिए बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दीजिएगा ताकि आपको टाइम पे आपकी डिक्टेशंस मिल सकें। थैंक यू सो मच।
Start. Being aggrieved by the judgment delivered by the High Court of Judicature of Andhra Pradesh at Hyderabad, dated 10th October 2012, in writ appeal number 1274 of 2012, this appeal has been preferred by the landowners whose lands have been acquired. Full stop para. The issue involved in this appeal is whether reference applications filed by the appellants under Section 18 of the Land Acquisition Act 1894 in bracket herein after referred to as the Act bracket out was beyond statutory period. Full stop. For the purpose of ascertaining the said fact, it would be necessary to record some of the relevant facts pertaining to the acquisition proceedings. Full stop para. Notification under Section 4 of the Act for the purpose of acquiring the land for establishment of Auto Nagar at Iluru had been issued on 27th August 1993. Full stop. In pursuance of the said notification under Section 6 of the Act had been published on 8th October 1993. Full stop. Looking at the facts of the case, the authorities had invoked urgency clause and inquiry under Section 5A of the Act had been dispensed with. Full stop para. Being aggrieved by the aforesaid acquisition proceedings, the landowners, that is, the appellants, had challenged the validity of notification under Section 6 of the Act and had also challenged invocation of urgency clause, whereby inquiry under Section 5A of the Act had been dispensed with. Full stop. The said petition had been allowed by the High Court of Andhra Pradesh and declaration under Section 6 of the Act had been quashed. Full stop. It was held by the High Court that inquiry under Section 5A of the Act had been mechanically dispensed with, and it was also directed that such an inquiry should be held. Full stop. The High Court had also given time limit for holding the inquiry. Full stop para. In pursuance of the aforestated direction of the High Court, once again, declaration under Section 6 in bracket 1 bracket out of the Act had been made on 7th August 1996 and subsequently award number 2 of 1998 had been made on 7th January 1998. Full stop para. Once again, writ petition number 32806 of 1998 challenging the validity of notification under Section 6 had been filed in November 1998 on the ground that the said notification was not issued within the time limit prescribed under the Act. Full stop. Ultimately, the said petition had been dismissed on 27th August 1999, but being aggrieved by the order of dismissal, writ appeal number 1337 of 1999 had been filed by appellants before the Division Bench of Andhra Pradesh High Court. Full stop. The said appeal had been allowed by the High Court on 23rd July 2001 and thereby the acquisition proceedings had come to an end. Full stop. The review application filed against the judgment delivered by the division bench had also been rejected by the High Court, full stop, para. In the aforesaid circumstances, a special leave petition challenging the above stated judgment had been filed by Andhra Pradesh Industrial Infrastructure Corporation Limited in bracket APIIC bracket out, for whose benefit the land was sought to be acquired for establishment of Auto Nagar, full stop. Leave was granted in the said special leave petition, which was recorded as civil appeal numbers 304, 305 of 2005, full stop. An interim order was also passed in the said appeals for maintaining status quo with regard to possession, full stop, as it existed on 10th January 2005, full stop. During the pendency of the aforestated appeals before this court, the land acquisition officer had filed a petition under section 31 in bracket 2 of the act before the district court, full stop, over. तो फ्रेंड्स ये 100+ की स्पीड का डिक्टेशन हो गया है इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट के लिए, ठीक है। और क्या कहते हैं, इसमें कुछ नाम वगैरह आए हैं, चलिए डिस्कस कर लेते हैं इसको। आंध्र प्रदेश तो आप लोग जानते हैं, एन की डबलिंग अबव द लाइन, और पी आर मतलब पी में आर का हुक और सर्किल, प्रेस, आंध्र प्रेस से आंध्र प्रदेश, ठीक है। और इसमें कोई नाम वगैरह ज़्यादा आया नहीं है, ठीक है, नॉर्मल मैटर है ये। कोई नाम नहीं है इसमें ज़्यादातर, और कोई नाम आता है तो आप कमेंट कर दीजिएगा, पढ़ने के बाद समझ में नहीं आता है ना कौन से नाम आए कौन से नहीं आए, वैसे नाम आते हैं तो पता चल जाता है। चलिए फिर डिक्टेशन लीजिए और बताइएगा कमेंट करके कैसी लगी स्पीड, क्योंकि इसको 120 से कम कर दिया हमने इसलिए क्योंकि लोगों को फ्लक्चुएशन पसंद नहीं आ रहा था, और 120 का अलग एक हम किसी एग्ज़ाम के लिए, जो भी एग्ज़ाम लगा हुआ है जैसे कैलकाटा का है, तो उसके लिए जो सीरीज़ शुरू करेंगे उसमें हम 120+ डिक्टेशंस देंगे, ठीक है। तो चलिए इसको कमेंट्स करके बताइएगा और अपनी मिस्टेक इसमें बताइएगा कितनी मिस्टेक आई है। इतने में ही अपनी एक्यूरेसी मेंटेन करिए, अंडर 10 की कोशिश करिए, अंडर 10 की। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच, बाय बाय।